Welcome to the channel. My name's Steve. This is my Corrado Project. It's a VR6. It's been off the road now for a good few years. I'm hoping to get it back on the road this year. It needs quite a bit of work yet, as you will see. First episode of what will hopefully be a series of episodes about various different bits that are getting replaced on the car. First episode is going to be getting the brake line sorted, tidied up under the arches, ready for some new brake calipers to go on. So yeah, let's go and have a look. So here it is. It's a 1992 J-Reg Corrado VR6. And if you haven't been following so far, it's had a few bits and pieces done to it already. I won't bore you with everything, but it's just had stuff like the inner wings descaled and repainted, the dreaded wiring loom redone, just still ongoing, very much ongoing, but my soul was about to drop out my arse, so I had to stop. It's also had stuff like the washer bottle cleaned up and just general TLC. So next job on the list is to sort out these crusty brake lines. As you can see, they're looking pretty minging. So the plan is to replace them from the ABS pump all the way down to the caliper, and redo these with some nice braided lines. I will get to all this as well. It's looking pretty crusty, as is all this, but it's on the list. So we've got some new stuff to fit. We've got some Hell braided lines made by WG, the 312 calipers of an Audi TT, some Febby horseshoe clips, and some made up copper hard lines ready to go on. So let's crack on. So first job is to disassemble as much as we can, because it's all loose anyway. It's just propped it together. Take the front end off, take the inlet manifold off, and anything else we can get off easily, just to give us the best access possible to the hard lines. So let's get to it. So front end's off. Got a lot better access now. You can see where we're trying to get to. The lines that I've just unclipped there. It's going to be a bit fiddly down there, but next job under the arch, and let's see if we can actually undo those. Probably not. So as suspected, that was going nowhere. Not a chance. So I'm probably going to have to cut it off. I've tried soaking it in oil. I'm going to give it another go now and see what happens, but I suspect it's probably going to end up being butchered.
The suppression, the use of marijuana.
So as you can see, brakes are all done. All the hard lines are in, the clips turned up, so they're clipped in all the way through. Both sides all done. Just a bit of a clean up. It's gone as far as I can now without being able to put the caliper on. So next job is wishbones. So our brake lines has gone as far as I can until the wishbones are done. That'll be next episode. That'll be whenever it is. Bit of a binky style time frame on that one. Any comments, let me know. Any advice, always appreciated. That's all for now. Cheers and go on.